Welcome. The goal of this module is to guide you through how to configure a LAN profile to define Ethernet port settings on Aerohive routers for use by guests at branch sites. In this demonstration, I will create a LAN profile to define the settings for the router Ethernet ports that I will use for guests. Next to router LAN ports, I will click Choose. I will then click New to create a new LAN profile. I will name the LAN profile LAN Guests. I am already using the first two ports on the routers for employee access, so I will highlight the last two ports so that I can use them for guest access. Under Access Security, I will check the box to enable Captive Web Portal. Now I can save the LAN profile. In the Choose LANs dialog, I will ensure the LAN guest profile is selected as well as my LAN employees, and I will click OK. Here you can see the 4 ports on an Aerohive router and see that the LAN employee profile is assigned to the first 2 ports and the LAN guest profile is assigned to the last 2 ports. Next, under Authentication, I will select the CWP link to select a Captive Web Portal. I will use the same Captive Web Portal that I am using for my guest SSID, called Guest Use Policy. And now I'll click OK. Next, I will assign a user profile to the guest LAN ports by clicking Add Remove. I will use the same branch guest user profile that I defined for the guest SSID. I will click Save. At this time, I will update the configuration of the routers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You can now proceed to the next video in the Getting Started series.